Hey friends, on today's quick video, we're gonna take a closer look at this ThinkLearn full toolkit. It has all the necessities. And the reason I'm kind of excited about this is because I've been looking for something for my mother-in-law's house. I have a lot of extra little chores and fixes to do around her home. So having a kit like this readily available at her house in case something comes up while we're over there for dinner is a perfect opportunity. Let's take a look at this and let's see if it's actually gonna do the job for somebody like her. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that's included in this kit. And again, for the budget price, this has a lot. Now, I don't think we're gonna find super high quality here, especially in these littler tools, but honestly, even on initial look, this is adequate. So what do we get? This is probably the most important thing for people is having a decent drill. And this thing actually has a brushless motor. This is a lithium ion battery. It's a 20 volt, it's got 2 amp hours, and it's gonna be good for most people's small project application. Don't expect a ton of run life from this battery, but it'll get your small projects done, no problem. And again, it's got that brushless motor as well as a ton of different torque settings and adjustments that you can make here. And as you can see down here, we have up to 21 different settings that we can scroll through using this dial, all the way from 1 all the way up to 21, as well as your standard drill setting right here. I've got an old board here. This will give us a good test ground to try out a few of the functions. I'm gonna go ahead and stick one of these drill bits into the top of the drill, just like that. And you can hear it just locks down as you give it that twist. And we're ready to fire up and give it a little test here. Okay, so far so good. Again, nice and adequate. It's got plenty of power to get through even this thick piece of board right here. Okay, so I made another little hole, and this is gonna be perfect for our little screws that came with the kit. I'm gonna grab one of these larger ones right here, and we'll drill that into the hole I made. So out of our head options, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Again, I released that little drill bit from the top here. This one just goes right in the top. We're gonna click it into place like that, and we're ready to drill. Inside the kit, you're also gonna find the charger for that lithium ion battery. And then we can also take a look at some of our larger tools. We've got an adjustable crescent wrench here. Again, this doesn't feel super high quality, but it definitely feels adequate. You're gonna get some good leverage with this. We've got a hammer here. Now this isn't very large. You can see it just kind of fits in the palm of my hand. Again, it'll be adequate for some of your smaller projects, like maybe hanging a picture on the wall or driving a couple of smaller finishing nails. So hammer works decent enough, again, with these small little finishing nails. We have a couple of decent pliers over here, a needle nose with a wire cutter there in the middle, as well as some larger pliers here, some lineman pliers. You can see you can really grab things, and then that also has a little cutter in the middle as well. This has a good handle, a good grip. Again, nothing super high quality, but it actually does feel really nice in the hand. We'll take these lineman pliers. I'm gonna see if I can pull this guy out here. Again, just what we were looking for is good grip and the ability, there you go, to maintain that grip while we yank out that nail. Let's grab the needle nose here and let's just actually try and cut this guy in half. And not too bad, you can see that it punctured it. Let's take a look in this upper container and check out the other little tools we get. Here's a little hacksaw. Again, this is nothing super powerful or heavy duty, but I think it'll get the job done on some of our little maybe PVC applications or a smaller bit of metal. Now the saw blade is actually mounted upside down, so make sure we'll have to unscrew it here and rearrange that. Definitely take a look at that when you receive this. We've got some electrical tape as well as a little voltage indicator, I believe. It's a nice little tool down here. We've got a razor blade with some extra blade packets for box cutting and things like that. And then we have 3 different screwdrivers. You can see this one is that nice flat head with a magnetic tip, it looks like, as well as the Phillips head here. And then we also have this screwdriver, and this is actually has an adapter head on it. So you can use all of these different adapters and basically just plug that into the very top here for your application. And what you're gonna find over here actually as well on this little sleeve is this little adapter here. This adapter right here actually goes into your drill and then plugs into these little sockets right here. So you can actually use your drill as a socket driver as well. Again, not a ton of sizes to choose from, but for smaller applications, it should work great. Okay, now this will give us a good opportunity to try out the included screwdriver here. And again, I can pick the head I want. Let me go ahead and try this one right here. And we'll see about loosening this and getting it out. So there you go, a much slower process, but again, this really works well as an extra utility. We've also got a tape measure. It's pretty small, but adequate. We've got a couple of really small screwdrivers. As you can see, these are tiny with their heads, but great for those really small applications you might have. Then we've got some drill bits up here for drilling, as well as these bits that will actually bore a hole. So again, a really nice little addition to have a couple of those as well. That is the ThinkLearn all-in-one toolkit, something you can give as a gift to somebody for Christmas, for a birthday, so they can have kind of an all-in-one kit at their house in case little chores, little projects come up that they can tackle themselves. If you're interested in grabbing this for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. And then if this has helped, hit that thumbs up button for us. Stay tuned because we do a ton of these little tool review videos to help make your shopping journey just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.